Your olfaction can recognize millions of smells. The human eye can recognize up to 10 million colors. Every day, you take 23,000 breaths. Given the same weight, bones come out to be stronger than steel. The human brain, potentially, is able to memorize 5 times the whole Britannic Encyclopedia. A baby born today sees the world with 50,000 fewer living species than one born 40 years ago. If you were experiencing the world for the first time, you'd think it was something worth protecting. We do everything to care for our children. Shouldn't we do the same for Mother Nature?